Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate you our new Sparrow rental system. It's pretty easy, so I'm going to show to you step by step and see it yourself. So all you have to do is to visit our website my.sparrowindustries.net, and then you can click this icon here. So it takes you to the accounts page. Here are listed all your accounts you are owner, or the accounts that you are assigned as a manager to. So let's go and create one new account. Create new. And here we are. See, the new account is always appearing at the end. So you are clicking view and you are able to log in, connecting, and start to do your things. So as we can see here at the top are the menu, and then we have this section where is all the lands grouped by regions. To be able to view a land, you have to click view, and then this one, this rentacle, is a land. Alright, so let's say you want to change the settings of this land. You need to click options, and then a new window will appear where you can do all the changes you want. You can start typing the region, let's say Kimberley, the name, let's say mall, the area, the prims, and the price. You clicking OK, and that's it. So now we have a region called Kimberley. By clicking view, we see our land. You can create a new virtual lands by clicking this plus icon. So you can create as many as you want. Okay, that easy, and you can put additional settings on each one. So if you want to, let's say, if you have another one region, so you want to move this one to Romance Bounds and home and area and prims and price. Alright, it will leave this region here, and as you can see, a new region group created, and it includes the newly created land. So you can have a view like this to see what's going on with short descriptions, or you can go deep into them and see what is going on. So while we trying to develop this system, we trying to find the best and easy solution of how to manage those lands. As example, what will be the best solution to be able to move a land from here, from Kimberley to Romance Abounds. So we end up by using a drag and drop method. So if you want to move this one to that region, you simply have to hold down your control key and then click and drag it down, and that's it. The new land is moved down. So we're starting to using more and more these drag and drop features and see what else we can do. As example, we can delete by this, holding down control and then drag to a trash can, and the same for this, and the same for this, and the same for that one. So you can do pretty easy without to reload all the time the pages or to do many clicks. Another good feature is that, let's say you have created a mall and you have like another 3 shops. Let's call it this shop. Okay, and let's say this shop have another two of the same exactly same settings. So what you have to do is simply holding down Control, and you want to copy this one to make a clone of this one. So you're holding down Control key and at the same time your Shift key, and then drag and drop it, so it will create a new land with the same settings as the previous. So you can very easily create multiple copies of the same land. Okay, we have the lands, but the matter is how to use it inside Second Life. So okay, let's say we have those three here, and let's say these are our shop locations. We want to rent them out. So what we have to do is to res rental boxes on those locations, and then we need to assign those boxes to those virtual lands. So how we can do this is very simple. Each land in the option have this one that called LID, and it is followed by this number. So you have to copy and paste it. Let's say this one, I want it to be the shop. Let's call it shop 1. Let's call this, you can have multiple windows as well, shop 2, and that one shop 3, and make this with separate. Alright, so we're waiting for the system to get the updates, and okay, we're ready. So what we have to do is to copy this LID of the shop 1 and make it this as to be as a shop 1. So you are pasting the LID into the description, and here we are. If you want to assign the shop 2, we copy this one to this, and this one where it says shop 3 onto here. And that's it. You have finished the setup. So you can have as many as you want. You can copy lands, you can move the lands from region to region, and then all using rental boxes, and then assign LIDs to the lands. So let's see it in action. Let's say I am going to rent this space here, so I'm going to pay it. Now the box is doing all the necessary tasks to send IMs to the owner and the managers, then to go update the server and the systems, and then we'll end up by updating and displaying here the tenancy and the remaining time. So here we are, Jack Sparrow, that's me, and the remaining time. The same on the website as well. So you don't have to refresh and keep refreshing your website all the time. All the updates and changes goes visually live. You don't have to do anything, just sit and watching what is going on your regions. Of course, you can change the length by adding 1 week as example, or by removing. You can remove, let's say, 2 days, 3 hours and 12 minutes, and clicking OK, and that's it. You get the remaining time. And here takes some time, but see, it is fully updated. You don't have to be near region or even logged in to Second Life to make changes, and those changes reflect to the in-world objects. You can do it from anywhere via the website, and the system in-world will get the updated without you need to do any changes to node cards or to anything. So of course, you can add manually a tenant. If you go down here, tenant name, you can click and add name. Important thing is to wait till the key retrieved, and then you adding the length the tenant have. You want to give, let's say, 3 days. Okay, and there we are. And inside Second Life, here we are. So this is how you can manipulate and change the settings and to perform some tasks. Another great feature is that you can, like the copying the lands, you can transfer tenants from one land to another. So let's say that one, shop 3, has 200 prims and the price is 250. Okay, and you want to move a tenant from shop 2 to shop 3. What you do is simply holding down your control key and you dragging the tenant. You will see under this rectangle is in red and shows the word tenant, and drop it onto the shop 3, and then the system will calculate the remaining time from this one and by the length with the remaining price to the new land. So you can easily move tenants from land to land, and the system will calculate automatically the remaining. Simply by holding down your control key and drag and drop the tenant around. Another common thing when you are renting lands, excuse me, is that you have a tenant that owns 2 lands like this, and have, let's say this one is on different price, 120, and he comes and says, okay, I want to leave this shop here and move to that shop the remaining. So all you have to do is to drag the tenant and drop it into the destination land, and the system will calculate the remaining according to the new according to the target land. So we're calculating the result, the remaining time. The same will happen if you want to merge those 2 lands. I will add again 1 week. So let's say this tenant here has 2 lands and wants those 2 lands or 3 lands or 5 lands to be paid on a single rental box. So what you have to do, you simply drag and drop entire land onto the destination land, and here we are. The system is add up all the settings and calculate the remaining time you have according to what you have remaining, to how many hours and days you can buy with the remaining length of the previous. So this is it.